അടുത്തായിട്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് വൈസ് ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട് ഗവർണർ പ്രിൻസ് കറിയ.
Acceptance. Okay. Most respected chairman of the meeting, our beloved DG Land Dr. C.P. Jayagumar, our past international director PMJF Murugan sir, multiple GLT coordinator Murugan sir, multiple GLT coordinator. Venugumar sir, okay. 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 Second Vice District Governor, Lion KJ Thomas, IPS retired. Galaxy of PDGs, multiple leaders, my dear friends in Lionism, Leos. Sir പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഞാൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് PDG ആയിട്ട് തെരഞ്ഞെടുക്കപ്പെട്ടതിലുള്ള നന്ദി ഞാൻ ആദ്യമേ അറിയിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് തുടങ്ങുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ എന്നിൽ അർപ്പിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന വിശ്വാസം ഞാൻ കാത്തു സൂക്ഷിക്കുമെന്നും പറയാനായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുകയാണ്. I will fulfill my term with maximum efforts and possibilities. Congratulations to our beloved governor and enthusiastic team behind you for the wonderful arrangement for the cabinet installation. I also congratulate all elected PSATs and selected cabinet members. I congratulate each cabinet members and all the club PSTs who have done wonderful activities in this pandemic COVID. With all respect, let us ask few questions to ourselves. Are we satisfied with our activities? When we joined Lionism, we were having so many expectations. After joining and continuing, I'm asking a question, is it fulfilled? If not, we are responsible for the same. After so many friends told me that they are not satisfied with the club or district like that, I asked them what was their contributions to their own expectations. Some of them told, we are paying dues, attending meetings, etc. Sorry to say that, it is only to continue the membership. Lions Club International is a beautiful organization with motto of we serve. If you are not a part of we serve, you won't get satisfaction till you start we serve. Do starting contributions like 500s, thousands, according to your capacity to serve locally, and contribute to LCIF. All funds paid to LCIF will come back as various service projects like eye hospital, blood bank, dialysis unit, emergency fund, etc. You will definitely start enjoying our organization when so many lives are escaped through you, so many people got sight through you. No one can do service just with fellowship. Our DG, Land Dr. C.P. Jayagumar, is outstanding, lively, capable, accurate, resolute, and efficient, and he will be successful governor. If you feel any shortages are with us. Everybody want to make big homes, big cars. Do you allow any sort of shortages in your home in this COVID? No. You never allowed any sort of shortages at your home in this pandemic also. Like that, you should feel Lionism as your second home, and then you should not allow any sort of shortages in our district or club. I request everybody to act big and make our district at the top of multiple. One more thing I want to add. I started working for my next year cabinet. Those who want to join my cabinet approach me with their ideas. Any member, not even president, they will be considered according to their vision and willingness to support next year projects. I wish all the presidents of 2020-21 in my next year cabinet. I will also try to keep 25% lady lions and 50% new youth cabinet members in my cabinet. I request all to with me and DG team, especially with the DG Dr. C.P. Jayakumar, let us explore the beauty of extraordinary Lionism. All the best. Jai Lionism. Thank you very much.